it happened again. And it's not even my fault. Let's just hope I got the tools I need to be able to break this. What did I use last time? Was it this? I guess it was this. Alright. Come on. Why can't I get this loose? It's always something. I'm gonna have to keep a better set of tools on here. Like it's in there. Did I do it this way? I did. Okay. All is safe. Just gotta do it carefully. I just want to share how much line came off this thing. Or I was fishing only to hear a clicking sound, thinking the trolling motor prop is hitting rocks or bottom, and that wasn't what was happening. Come on now. As you can see, there's so much line here. I don't even think I brought my knife with me. I'm also trying to be careful not to knock anything loose that's of importance. Probably been fishing a lot longer if this just didn't happen. And I don't have my knife. I'm gonna get my pliers. Next best thing to cutting the line here. This is a strong braid. Eeh. I don't think that's good enough neither. Try and knock it loose. washer that I can't lose. Careful. Careful. Okay, we don't want to lose that. It's almost loose. This is definitely worse than last time. As you can see, all that. Let's get back to it. Okay. It's off. Jeez. So like I said, I just wanted to show you what I'm dealing with here. All that just wrapped around the trolling motor. I couldn't even tell you how this even happens. All I know is not my line that is tangled up in this. Look at all that. That was wrapped around, causing the trolling motor not to work. And it was just slowly happening. Somebody lost a lot of line. That's all I can say. It could be me. I know we did lose some line on last Friday, but jeez. Alright, I'm gonna put this back together. I just wanted to share with you what I had to deal with. It's always something. But hey, it is what it is. Give me a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys later.